Upload your CV and documents to www.jobswarhan.com and get Gulf job faster.
Hello friends. We welcome you back to this channel, which is Aziz for Jobs. Today we have come up with a job requirement for Saudi Arabia. So let's start with details. Yes friends, now we have urgent requirement for building construction project in Saudi Arabia. So which positions are required now? We are required project manager, civil, project engineer, civil, and safety engineer. So all above should have BE or B.Tech in civil engineering, with minimum 8 to 10 years experience in construction project. And Gulf experience is must. What is mode of interview? There will be telephonic SKYPE interview after CV shortlisting process. How to apply for this requirement? To apply this job requirement, please send your CV on rec19@asmix.net. And subject line should be in this format. YT: position applied building construction Saudi Arabia. Otherwise, please report in our office with CV and all documents. Address is given in description. And if above requirement is not matching to your profile, please share this video to your friends to help them. Thanks for watching this video. And please subscribe this channel and strike on bell icon to get future job notification.